Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of the Tauranga series. This video will be a bit short. We'll take you on a quick walking tour and then drive around the city. The sun was about to set, it was already windy and the temperature was dropping, so we decided to explore the area by car. The famous Marine Parade Street had really nice beachfront houses.
Turn back at the roundabout, taking the fourth exit, then enter the roundabout.
Beach side नहीं लोगे? हाँ?
Built in 2023, the Marine Parade Pathway extends the main beach boardwalk, 1999, with timber and concrete surfaces.
After 200 meters, enter the roundabout, take the first exit onto Maunganui Road, then go over the roundabout.
Developed with local Hapu Nai Tukairangi and Ngati Kuku, it was supported by the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment and the Port of Tauranga.
Enter the roundabout, take the first exit, then go over the roundabout.
Finding a car park in this area in the evening can be challenging as the streets get really busy at night.
After 160 meters, go over the roundabout, taking the second exit onto Maunganui Road. Go over the roundabout, taking the second exit.
There are plenty of beachfront dining options serving fresh seafood, coffee and local cuisine.
Take the second exit to Maunganui Road. After 300 meters, enter the roundabout, take the second exit onto Rata Street, then turn left.
Several of options to choose from. Name the cuisine and you'll find it.
Head south on Maunganui Road toward Nikon Crescent. In 200 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Maunganui Road.
Enter the roundabout, take the second exit, then turn left.
Left में?
Pubs, cafes and ice cream spots to choose from as well.
Second exit towards Tauranga, then take the next left.
Indian cuisine is what we're craving today, so we found a highly rated Indian restaurant nearby.
अपने को गया ना टूटने का राइट में आना बहुत पार्किंग नहीं मिला ना सीजी रोड है
After the meal, we planned to head back to Auckland, a 2 to 3 hour drive. After finally finding a good parking spot, we decided to park and enjoy our dinner. It wasn't busy at all, which was great since we were starving.
Hello, table for two.
See you all in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.